Who am I? Well, I guess I'm Dora. I'm not the doctor part is becoming slowly less and less important in my life. This mind shift change honestly happened. It kind of clicked a few months ago. I realized that I don't have to be stuck in this cycle. I couldn't do it if I didn't have this other part of my financial, portfolio that was giving me steady and stable income on the side. There's a recession potentially, there's inflation, there's a lot of pressures that's causing stress. Honestly, I've been shielded from that, and I credit so much of that to being involved in Freedom Founders. I never thought that I could work 1 day a week in my practice and let it run for 5 days. And now I can. Having that choice is just a freeing sense of mind. I don't have these golden handcuffs chaining me to the practice anymore. It's just a matter of what I want to do next. I love just having the freedom of being able to go where I want and discover new things, have adventures. I think what I really love about traveling is just culture. I love learning about other culture, other people, how they live life, and travel has been an important part of who I am. And then in the last few years too, I've been able to document a lot of my travel through photography. Doing all this traveling and seeing countries that are still developing really helped me see what global health looks like. And so at some point, that's my ultimate goal or vision in life. That's where I am, and that's what I'm excited about. And I'm glad that I'm young enough to do this. I'm glad I didn't wait till I'm about to retire to start thinking about what I'm going to do with the rest of my life. I better get to work then. I don't want to waste this opportunity.